Hey, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Figs Outside. So we're going to be doing a little unpackaging of the Wheeler Engineering, the fat wrench, the Firearm Accurizing Torque Wrench. This is for inch pounds. It's supposed to be a pretty awesome little tool. It's for scope rings and trigger guard screws and scope base screws. So we're going to be doing a little unpackaging. This package is kind of boogered up from shipping, but anyway. One piece. And so this product is made in China, and it gives you all the recommended torque settings on the back. Tells you for mountain bases and stuff, 18 to 20 pounds, number 6 screw, 28 to 30. Anyway, so that kind of goes with it right there. And that's the range is 10 inch pounds to 65. Accuracy is plus or minus 2 inch pounds. So that's it right there. Comes with a nice little carrying case. Snapped together like so. Wait, shuts together. Pretty sweet little case. And that's really nice is they give you the calibration certificate, what it is, and the inspector and the date. And of course it's got the usage and care instructions. Okay, there's that. Anyway, so that's it right there. It's got all the different pieces to it. It's got the flat heads, it's got your Allens, and then your torque. And then it looks like, we gotta get this out of there. Okay, I see what's going on. So it comes zip tied in there so it can't fall out, this piece. We're just gonna snip that. That little piece pops out, as you've seen. Get rid of that. Pops right back down in there. So you pull it to unlock. And so kind of gives you instructions right there. And so you got to pull it and twist it and set it, and you can see the dial moving right there as I twist it to get it to the appropriate settings for the pounds that I want. So pretty cool little feature right there. So that is it. And then so that's just another piece to it. I got it. So anyway, that's it. That is the Wheeler Engineering fat wrench. Kind of hard to see that, but got it on there. Firearm Accurizing Torque Wrench. So anyway, that's it. Once again, just kind of a little unpackaging, kind of a little show of what it is and what it comes with. They sell lots of different kits. They actually sell a whole like screwdriver kit as well. It's on the back, but this is what I need for mounting my scopes and stuff. So we'll be doing a little video on that as well. So anyway, like I said, thanks for watching. Thanks for hanging out with me. And if you like this video, if it helps you out at all, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe. I'd greatly appreciate it. Hope you all have a great day.